That extracellular fluid is made also of two types. First one is a fluid inside of our blood vessels. That's a blood plasma. And also interstitial fluid, that is a fluid between the cells. Now, we go back to the cell membrane structure, proteins. A lot of proteins are located inside of the cell membrane. One type of them is called integral proteins. They are firmly inserted into the membrane, and most of them are transmembrane. What does it mean? That is a transmembrane. That is a transmembrane. You can see it from both sides of the membrane, from here and from here. Functions of those integral proteins are mostly transportation. They have channels, and substances can go into and out of the cell through those channels. Also, they can work as enzymes, and they can work as receptors when our cell receives signals from other cells. Now we also have peripheral proteins. Peripheral proteins mostly can be seen from one side of the membrane only, on the inner or on the outer surface. Functions: they can work as enzymes, also speed off their chemical reactions. They can work as motor proteins, cell-to-cell links, provide support on the intracellular surface, and in details we'll talk about all of those functions a little bit later. And all additional molecules that are attached to the proteins, and that they appear as a fuzzy appearing coating around the cell, is called glycocalyx. So everything what's sticking out, that is glycocalyx. So now in details about functions of membrane proteins. Transport: molecules are going into and out of the cells. Not only molecules, those can be ions and water and electrical signals. Also, membrane proteins